Buddy, today we are in Queen Creek, Santan Valley area. You want to see what 575,000 would get you here? Check it out. You first come in through the door and come into your formal dining room, which you could turn into an office or something like that. Stairs, it's a two-story, just under 2,900 square feet. It's got a pool in the back. It's 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Never mind the mess on the countertop that I am doing an open house here today. So this house actually comes with a smart fridge and range. My phone's been trying to connect to them all morning. One bedroom and full bath is downstairs. The rest are upstairs. One of the bedrooms. We have a nice landing or loft. This is the main bedroom. Laundry room upstairs. The other two rooms. So 4 bedrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. With the 2 bathrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. Let's go outside and check out the backyard and the pool. So there you have it, quick tour of this home. If you're interested in this one or anything else in Queen Creek or Santan Valley, there will be a link or QRS code in here somewhere to scan. Feel free to hit me up. This is what 575 will get you. This is actually a nice house. It needs a little touch up here and there, but nothing to be expected. Built in 2019, so it's still fairly new. All right, let me know what you think, and if you like this house, you want to see more, please hit that like button and follow, and be more to come. Thanks. Have a great day.